I got a great little art thing for you. This is actually scratch art made by Neliblu, and if you've not seen these before, this black part is actually like similar to the substance used on like scratch-off tickets, if you know what I'm talking about, but it's coating this, and under it is very vivid, very bright colors so that as your kids or you or your party guests are sitting down, they can use these included tools here, these metal scratch bars, to scratch this off, make whatever designs they want, make this nice and fun. It also includes 24 ribbons so that you can tie them like ornaments and hang them around. Each pack comes, again, 24 pumpkins, 24 scratchers, 24 ribbons, but they also have other packs of haunted houses as well. Now, I just did one of these a minute ago. I know, it's awesome, isn't it? Best art you've ever seen in your life. Well, this took me like 30 whole seconds. So if you take any amount of time, you take a little bit of time with it, you can have fun with it, you can make it look like whatever you want. But honestly, it's a good, fun art piece. The one thing you need to be aware of is because this surface is like the scratch-off ticket stuff, you want to do it in a spot where you can wipe it down pretty easily, or you're going to see the dust and the debris around. But I think if you have a party coming up, if you're throwing one or your kids are throwing one, I think this is a fun little craft. Check it out. It's made by Neliblu.